You're welcome to Vital 2 Cents, the home of facts and figures.
What's up guys, we are back with another exciting video. On today's video, we will be talking about your two favorite Nollywood actresses and daughters of Uche Nancy, the Nollywood producer. We are talking of Sonia Uche and Chinenye Nnebe.
Overloading, I'll be overloading your bank account. I define who go overload my account.
Okay, so if I was dying now, you are the person I'm calling, I would have just died.
On today's video, we will be revealing so many deep and hidden facts you don't know about them, including their real parents, real biography, true life story, age, real father, state of origin, boyfriend and husband, kids, why Sonia bears a different name, their cars, net worth, and many more. So if you are watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe so you can see more new videos of your favorite celebrities. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon below to subscribe. We will be starting from Chinenye Nnebe.
Hello, how you doing? My angel, my one and only, the only one that I'm missing. With it.
Chinenye Nnebe is a popular Nollywood actress, brand influencer, model, and content creator. Chinenye was reportedly born on the 5th of April 1997 in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. She is from Anambra State. Chinenye was born into the family of Nnebe. Her mom is the public eye, however her father keeps away from the media, so not much can be said about him. Chinenye is the last child of the family. Also, Chinenye and her sisters were raised by their single mother, Uche Nancy, a well-known actress, costumier, Nollywood movie director, and producer. Chinenye Nnebe's educational background. Chinenye completed her primary and secondary education in Asaba, Delta State, where she grew up. She forged ahead to enroll in tertiary institution at University of Cape Coast, Zenith University College in Accra, Ghana. In June 2019, Chinenye reportedly received a certificate as Bachelor of Business Administration with first-class honors in Human Resource Management from the University of Cape Coast. Now, talking about her career, Chinenye's journey into the Nollywood industry was not a rough one because she had her mom as her pillar and coach, who helped to nurture her talent and position her well in the industry at a very young age. Chinenye's journey as a Nollywood actress kicked off at a very tender age. She reportedly made her film debut in the early 2000s at the age of 3 years. Since then, Chinenye has went on to achieve and garner so much success for herself. Undoubtedly, Chinenye is one of the most talented young actresses in Nollywood today. Talking of her accusations and net worth, Chinenye Nnebe is doing well for herself. She has managed to make a name for herself and also her own money, despite having a rich mother. In April 2025, Chinenye bought her first car, which is a luxury Lexus RX 350. According to her, she fulfilled a long-held desire to buy a car with her own money. This beautiful actress shared the good news with her YouTube community, stating that she paid for the car herself, not with the family money or family cars she previously used. Chinenye is yet to acquire a house of her own, but she lives in an expensive luxury well-furnished apartment which she recently gave fans a tour of her beautiful home. Chinenye Nnebe's net worth is estimated to be over $150,000. Talking of her relationship, in recent times, Chinenye Nnebe has been rumored to be in a relationship with colleague Clinton Joshua, but we understand it is because of their chemistry together and many love movies together. However, they are just lovers in movies only. Chinenye has revealed she is single and not married, and also don't have a child. Now let's talk about Sonia Uche.
Let's go and hawk transformer. For me, I'm ready to have a boyfriend. Which one is it? What is it?
Sonia Uche is a popular Nigerian Nollywood actress, producer, model, and entrepreneur. Her real and full name is Iheoma Sonia Uche. She was reportedly born on May 25, 1995. According to Sonia, in her interview with Punch newspaper, Sonia revealed she grew up in Ibuzo, a small town in Oshimili North in Delta State, but is partially from Abia State. Sonia Uche, after completing her early education in Delta State, relocated to the village where she spent a good number of years with her grandmother in Abia State. According to actress Sonia Uche, her parents divorced when she was still younger. According to her, the broken home affected her while growing up and she termed it not easy. Her father is very much present in her life. Sonia Uche is believed to be the daughter of Uche Nancy, Hollywood producer. However, from our recent research and findings, Sonia is not the biological daughter of Uche Nancy. Sonia is her adopted daughter. In a post made on Instagram by Nollywood producer Uche Nancy in 2017 on Sonia's birthday, she revealed that Sonia is her children's friend that has turned to her daughter. She says Sonia was a friend to Oma, so she decided to adopt her as her own. On the post, which was made on Sonia's birthday in 2017 by Uche Nancy on Instagram in celebration of Sonia's birthday, Uche Nancy wrote, "Can't keep calm because a friend to my children turned to daughter to me with a good heart inside and outside. It's her birthday today. Please, my people, help me wish her happy birthday because I love her so much." At Sonia Uche. This clearly reveals that Sonia is not Uche Nancy's first daughter and biological daughter as many people believe. Speaking of Sonia's education, Sonia completed her primary and secondary education at Anyobushi Demonstration Primary School and St. Augustine's College in Delta. After that, she went on to further education in the university. She studied at the Michael Okpara University of Agriculture in Umudike, Abia State. Talking of her career, according to Sonia, she have always loved acting since she was a kid. In Sonia's words, "While growing up, I was a member of the short drama club. As a teenager, I usually acted in short dramas and watched a lot of movies." Sonia shot into limelight officially in 2019 after a role in the hit movie titled Frank's Wife. In the movie, she played the role of a naive village virgin girl who was married and taken to the city but would not agree to sleep with her husband. The film featured notable actors like Jerry Williams and others. The movie was also produced by her mother, Uche Nancy. Since then, Sonia has featured in several blockbuster movies, talking of her private life and relationship. Sonia has been severally rumored to be dating Maurice Sam, which she has come out to deny severally. Sonia is not married and doesn't have a child at the moment. On her accusations and sources, Sonia Uche is a more private person and prefers to keep her achievements and purchases off the media. Aside acting, Sonia also runs a personal business and brand. She has a women's hair and wig store for years now. Her brand name is Sonia Hair Extensions, which has been generating money for her by the side. Sonia have also ventured into movie production and now have her own movies doing great numbers on YouTube. With almost 1 million subscribers at the moment, Sonia's YouTube movie channel is fast growing and generating more money for her. We estimated Sonia Uche's net worth to be over $250,000. Now, which of them is your favorite?